Good morning students, welcome to GK class. Today we will do page number 37, National Anthem Song, Word of Different Countries. As you know that National Anthem reflect the cultural heritage of a country. Given below are the national anthems and songs of different countries. Identify and encircle the name of countries to which they belong to in the given crossword. One is done for you. First is God Save the Queen and King. This is the national song of United Kingdom. Second is Kimigaya, and this is national anthem of Japan. Third is Jan Gan Man. You all know that this is national anthem of our country, that is India, best country of the world. Next is Deutschland Lied. This is national anthem of Germany. Next, fifth is March of Volunteers, and this is national anthem of China. Next, sixth is La Marseillaise. This is the national anthem of France. Seventh is Amra Napfian, and this is national anthem of Ireland. Next, eighth is the Star Spangled Banner. This is national anthem of America. Ninth is Fratelli d'Italia, and namesakely Aurora Italia, so this is national anthem of Italy. Last is Bandesham der Republik Österreich. This is the national anthem of Austria. Now open page number 38, important border lines. Border lines are very important as they demarcate a country from the other. Match the following border lines with the associated countries. First is 16th parallel. Border line जो है ये कहाँ पर है? अंगोला एंड Namibia. Second is Radcliffe Line. This is borderline between the country of India and Pakistan. Third is Hindenburg Line, and this border lines is associated with Germany and Poland. Next, fourth is MC Mohan Line, and this border line is India and China. Next is Maginot Line, France and Germany. Next, sixth is Durand Line. Durand Line is Pakistan and Afghanistan. बॉर्डर लाइन सेपरेट करती है किसको? पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान को. नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ इज 49th पैरेलल, एंड दिस इज कनाडा एंड यूएसए. दिस बॉर्डर लाइन इज लाइंग बिटवीन कनाडा एंड यूएसए. नेक्स्ट, 8th इज 38th पैरेलल, एंड 38th पैरेलल दिस बॉर्डर लाइन इज लाई बिटवीन नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड साउथ कोरिया. नेक्स्ट इज 22nd पैरेलल. This border line is lie between Libya and Sudan. Last, 10th is 20th parallel, and this border line is lie between Egypt and Sudan. Next is countries and their parliaments. Parliament is important form of body that makes laws for the country. Parliament में law बनाए जाते हैं. कुछ पार्लियामेंट्स के आपको गिवन है, तो आपको क्लूज दे रखे हैं, कंट्रीज़ के नेम बताने हैं. हेल्प बुक्स इज़ गिवन टू यू एट द बॉटम. सो ओपन पेज नंबर 39. फर्स्ट इज सेम, और वहाँ कहाँ का पार्लियामेंट है? ये पोलैंड. पार्लियामेंट इंडिया. सुप्रीम सोवियत, दिस इज़ इन रशिया. Next, fourth is People's Council. Syria. Next is fifth is Riksdag और कंट्री है स्वीडन. स्टोटिंग नॉर्वे कंट्री का है ये. कांग्रेस जो ये है पार्लियामेंट कौन सी कंट्री का है? कोलंबिया. नेक्स्ट एट्थ इज टोगो एंड कंट्री इज भूटान. नाइन्थ इज नेशनल असेंबली एंड कंट्री इज हंगरी. नेक्स्ट इज Folketing and country is Denmark. Now open page number 40. Given below are the descriptions of some famous emperors and kings. Read carefully. First is one of the most powerful emperor of the Mughal dynasty who took over the reins of the Mughal Empire at the age of 13. And king is Akbar. Second is he is the one of the very few emperor of Japan who earned the reputations of being the ideal leader, and his name is Akito. Third is he was the emperor of Russia from the 1881 to 1894. He was known to be highly conservative and supporters of Russian nationalism, and his name is Alexander III. Next fourth is he was the founder of Roman Empire and become its first emperor, and his name is Augustus. Fifth is he was the king of England only for 86 days. He was dethroned and probably murdered by his uncle, and name of the king is Edward V. Next, sixth is he was the longest living ruler in the modern history. He was the emperor of Japan for nearly 63 years. 63 years के लिए वहाँ पे उन्होंने शासन किया था. एंड नेम इज़ हिरोहितो. Next, seventh is he was the king of France. During his reign, France witnessed several wars of religion, and name of king is Charles IX. He was the third ruler of Maurya Empire and adopted Buddhism, and name of king is Ashoka. So today your work is do page number 37, 38, 39 and 40. Write these page also. Okay beta.